Hey, welcome back to Mom Life at its finest. I'm Amber and I just got back from grocery shopping, so I thought I would flip the camera around and give you a little glimpse into some of the things my family's gonna eat this week. We have a lot of different dietary restrictions and I won't go into it here, maybe another video, but the bottom line is that we ultimately try and eat just a lot of pretty fresh, unprocessed food. We're big meat eaters in my family, and what I typically end up doing is alternating a week of going to like the regular grocery store and a week of getting Walmart grocery pickup, because I get my meat and my milk and other kinds of kind of fresh things at the regular grocery store. Here we have Publix, and then I get a bunch of other stuff at Walmart, and the Walmart grocery pickup has literally been a lifesaver for me as a busy working mom of 3 kids, 6 and under. But again, this week I went to Publix, and so I will show you some of the things we got that I'm gonna use and make various meals out of this week. All right, so again, I just got back from Publix today and I stocked up on the meat and the kind of fresh veggies that we're gonna use in conjunction with what I already have. Our family will do a lot of tacos, maybe some hamburgers, or even just plain beef. And then I got these fresh beef back ribs to make meat stock out of, and then I will take these boiled ribs and put them on the grill or put them in the broiler, and we have what we call just sort of caveman ribs to eat off the bone. They're so delicious, so tender. Some steaks that I will make up for the family, baked chicken. I got some zucchini that I'm gonna use to saute up, and I'll actually grate it, mix it with some butternut squash, and then fry up some kind of squash, egg, and almond butter pancakes in the mornings. Then I've got some fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries that my kids love, onion for the meat stock, a little bit of Parmesan cheese as a topping, and then our family is dairy-free, so we do like this almond milk an awful lot. Now, even though we're dairy-free, we do eat a little bit of Parmesan because the harder cheeses don't seem to have as much lactose and other kinds of milk proteins left in them after they have sat for so long. So our family does seem to be okay with Parmesan, and it feels like such a special treat for my boys. So I know this doesn't look like a ton, but again, I already have several things left over, already stocked in the pantry and the fridge from last week's Walmart grocery pickup, and then I will place an order to get some other staples here and pick those up in the coming days. So I just wanted to give you a glimpse of the sort of fresh foods that my husband, myself, and our 3 boys are gonna be eating for the next few days. So as I mentioned, I usually only go to one grocery store a week or go out once a week, wherever that is. I usually try and consolidate my errands and my appointments and get everything done at the same time as best I can, because I really just don't have the luxury of going wherever has the best sales or, to multiple places all at once. About once a month, I will also make a Costco run and also go to Whole Foods. We don't have either of those stores near us. They're about 45 minutes or so away. So I stock up when I go to those places, but other than that, I do go grocery shopping once a week, alternating between these 2 stores that we have close to us, to get the more regular things our family is going to use. And then we just do a lot of eating what we have, a lot of leftovers, a lot of very simple meals. So if you would be interested in some videos on the kinds of things I feed my family and the ultimate meals that I will make out of all of these things, then let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. All right, hope you enjoyed that little glimpse into some of the things we're gonna be eating this week. I will make a follow-up video and show you everything I get next time I go to Walmart grocery pickup. But overall, we just kind of eat a lot of the same simple things. These kind of standard meals that I have found are not only pretty healthy and feed and nourish our bodies, but also are quick and easy for me to put together, because as a working mom, I don't have much time to plan out meals, let alone spend hours in the kitchen every day. So I have come to some really staple meals that I make over and over that my husband and my family seem to enjoy, and then we all get what we want, and I don't have to worry about making different things. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I make new videos every week all about how mom life is the best and hardest and most crazy thing we are ever going to be doing with our lives. So I'd love to have you follow along. Thanks again for being here. I'll see you next time.